Do you want to make money online and increase your income? Perhaps you already have a choice vacation destination, such as the Bahamas or Maldives. Hold on, you may also want to quickly pay off the mortgage for your home and have enough to invest in other ventures. Regardless of your desires, this is the right time to embark on achieving financial freedom. Thanks to the ever-evolving digital age, there are more opportunities for you to earn money online. From running a blog to working as a freelancer on websites like Upwork, there's no end to the amazing opportunities out there. In fact, you stand a chance of earning more than $100 every day from these ventures. What's more, you don't have to quit your 9-to-5 job to start earning online. How awesome is that? Before we show you these amazing ways in today's video, let's take a look at the two main types of income on the internet: active income and passive income. Active income is basically a pay-as-you-work form of earning money. You only get paid for the work you do, and it's more like your 9-to-5 job. For example, working for freelance websites like Upwork is considered an active source of income. Now moving on to passive income. This is a way of earning money continuously after putting in the initial effort. In other words, once you kickstart the process, your money keeps rolling in. For example, running a blog or becoming an affiliate partner with networks such as Clickbank is a great way to earn passive income. So let's get to the real ways of earning money online. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1. Blogs. Today, almost everyone you know probably owns a blog. In fact, there are 600 million blogs out of 1.7 billion websites. So how can you earn money if almost everyone is doing it? First, find and choose a niche that you're passionate about. Doing this will help you stay ahead of the competition without burning out. Second, monetize your blog by placing ads on it. You either place a cost per click (CPC) ad or a cost per impression ad (CPM). CPC ads pay you a certain amount every time a visitor clicks on the ad. For instance, if the value of a CPC ad is 0.4. Therefore, if 2,000 visitors click on this ad on your blog in a month, you'll earn a tidy sum of $800. Now, this is one of the powers of passive income. CPM ads, on the other hand, pay you a fixed amount based on the number of those who view your ads. Sometimes these public and non-specific ads are not sufficient streams of income. You can also place private ads, which offer better streams of income. Using a website host like Bluehost.com makes it very easy and affordable to get your blog up and running in no time. Number 2, Upwork or Fiverr. If you think running a blog isn't your thing, then this might just be for you. In recent years, there's been an upsurge in the number of freelance workers. In the US alone, there are over 60 million freelancers, and 30% of this figure earns over $100,000 per year. Freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have different types of jobs for freelancers. Designers, programmers, content writers, translators, and even financial advisors all have a place on these websites. Websites like Fiverr and Freelancers are fairly easy to set up since the approval process is easy. Websites like Upwork and ClearVoice, however, have a strict selection process. Therefore, you have to set up an appealing profile, irrespective of the freelance website, for you to get approved. Once approved, you can start bidding for jobs in your niche. With Upwork, you can either select an hourly rate or choose a specific amount to charge for the work. Websites like iWriter have a job board for freelancers to choose from. Moving on to the next source of making money online: YouTube. Number 3, YouTube. Thanks to the rise of social media, video contents are the most popular rave. It's no surprise that video contents are the best way of getting great passive income in 2020. YouTube, as the largest video sharing platform, has helped so many people to attain financial freedom with ease. Users consistently producing video content on this platform can comfortably earn thousands of dollars, and even more. Mind you, this is dependent on the ads placed on the videos and the number of people that viewed it. According to recent statistics, the average cost per 1,000 views for a YouTube video is $7.38. Just imagine the total amount earned if you have more than 1 million views. That's a whopping $73,800. Although the average rate differs for different types of video content. So, the first step to earning revenue on your YouTube videos is to open an account and enable account monetization. Then, edit your views through editing programs such as Adobe Premiere or Apple's iMovie software. Number 4, Clickbank. The next on our list is Clickbank, a popular affiliate marketing platform. Clickbank offers you a great way to earn passive income via the promotion of other people's products. As a platform that handles over 30,000 sales per day, there's no end to the stream of opportunities that come your way. Here's how Clickbank works. You get a certain percentage for every product you promote on your website. These commissions can be as high as 75% and as low as 5%. So you earn money when a visitor buys a product on the Clickbank platform through your website link. You can also list your products on this platform, and other Clickbank users will help promote the products based on your preferred commission. For maximum sales, ensure that your website landing page is user-friendly for users who visit the website. You can also increase the number of visitors to your website by writing compelling content. Number 5. Shutterstock. Are you the unofficial photographer at families' and friends' functions? Well, it's time for an upgrade, and time to put those skills to good use. Irrespective of your type of photography skills and niche, there's a place for you in the world's biggest photo download platform. From vector images to still photography, there's no end to the demand for your talents. By becoming a contributor to this platform, you get to glean from the inspiration and experience of world-class photographers. Sign up to this platform, upload your content with ease, utilize their resources library to know the in-demand popular niches, and learn from their experts. Use the accumulation of all these to create a personalized profile page and earn money each time someone downloads your images from the platform. Now, that doesn't seem so hard. Number 6. TakeLessons.com. Finally, we've come to the last, but definitely not the least way of making income online. TakeLesson is an educational technology that focuses on helping students to improve on any skill by connecting them with the right instructor. This platform enables users to tutor students on any skill set. No doubt, this is a great way to get paid for doing what you love. As an instructor on this platform, you can earn money by 1. Teaching private students, 2. Writing articles, or 3. Teaching groups of students via live streaming. Irrespective of your style of teaching, your success on this platform is largely dependent on your profile. Therefore, ensure that you craft your profile to suit the aspect you're teaching. More so, don't overprice or underprice your lessons, as either of these can jeopardize your chances. What's more, just like Google ranking, TakeLessons.com has an algorithm to rank instructors based on the number of students they've successfully tutored. So the higher you rank on this platform, the better the chances of getting more jobs. Finally, we've come to the end of our list of amazing ways of earning money in 2020. I want you to know that each of these methods is subject to new strategies and modes of operation. So take advantage of these opportunities and attain your financial freedom with ease. Watch for more interesting videos on this channel by pressing the subscribe button below.